morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's hard to get on stage after this really interesting and impressive performance, and I'm sure you would like to hear more music and less words, but allow me to say some words to you for opening this day. For me, it's an honor to be here with you, and some people say, well, that's impossible, and we heard it before, to regulate involving technologies like AI. How should we regulate AI for the music? It will be difficult. Regulation is always slow, and for sure I can tell you in Switzerland regulation is very slow. So when we regulate, perhaps we also kill the potential of innovation. And that's not what we want. Indeed, this is a challenge, and at the same time, it's nothing new. Through human history, it has always been the case that innovation has occurred first, and only later, step by step, regulation has been introduced. When it comes to regulating AI, we should make sure that innovation is possible for the benefit of our societies and economies, and at the same time, risks and negative impacts are minimized. We know that the impacts of AI depend less on the systems themselves, but rather on the specific area which they are used. We should therefore not try to regulate the technology itself. We should rather regulate its use and make sure that AI systems are used to make people's life better and not worse, and music better and not worse. So, if we agree that we should not regulate technology itself, but its use, then how can we do this? How do we ensure that technologies like AI are used for the benefit of all and not just of a few? The basis for this is a framework of values, principles, and goals that we have already established thanks to the UN and other international organizations. We have established a set of fundamental rights and freedoms which all people in the world should enjoy. We have established 17 goals for sustainable development that should guide us in whatever technology we use, be it AI, quantum computing, or whatever. So we need to get together and discuss how we can make sure that every use of every technology is in accordance with and thus not against our common values and goals. In this regard, UNESCO's recommendation on ethics on AI or OECD's AI principles provide for useful guidance. The ongoing work at the Council of Europe on the first binding treaty on general principles for AI is a next step in this regard. The participation in these negotiations under Swiss chairmanship is not limited to European countries, but already includes countries from Asia and the Americas, and is open to all countries in the world which share our fundamental values. So whoever is interested in joining, please come and talk to us. In addition to such fundamental principles, we need to develop specific and dynamic regulation for specific uses and of new technologies. As these technologies are developed globally, but then applied locally, we need to develop an appropriate set of technical, legal, and societal norms that are interoperable across cultures and jurisdictions and able to find the right answers to specific needs and circumstances. Geneva is a unique place when it comes to discussing how to develop a human-centered approach to governing new technologies. With its rich history of fostering international cooperation and as a home for multiple influential international organizations, and with its inclusive multi-stakeholder approach, Geneva is made for addressing the complex challenges posed by artificial intelligence and for identifying concrete solutions. We would therefore like to thank the ITU and all actors involved in the organization of the AI for Good Summit as an important platform in this regard, and we are proud to support this event as host country. Thank you very much.
you.